Hi guys, what is up? Long time no night routine. I know, right? So today is one of those days where I'm gonna spend the night in my studio. I usually do this when I'm doing live streams or when I have a lot of work and I have to pull in overnight. Today, sadly, I don't have a lot of work. Sadly, nahi, actually. Today, I happily don't have a lot of work and I just wanted to chill. So I'm gonna spend the night in my studio, and I thought, why not just vlog it and just share it with you guys. So here it is. So right now, I just got done with my live stream. It's 9 p.m. and as usual, I'm super hungry now because I didn't have anything for dinner yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and order dinner. But even before I do that, I'm gonna first go ahead and remove my makeup. Like you can see, it's like washing out also a little now. So I'm gonna go ahead, remove my makeup, and get fresh first, change into comfy clothes also. And yeah, let's go ahead and start a night in my new apartment. So the makeup is off now, and it's time for the final cleanse. Double cleansing is actually good for your face. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a mild cleanser on my face now. And this one is from Kama, called Nimra Anti-Acne Cleansing Foam. It's 100% natural and it dries out active acne and unclogged pores. It has tea tree, which is great antiseptic and anti-inflammatory in nature. It also has neem. Yes, my skin can finally breathe. You know that feeling of fresh face? I can finally feel that. So yeah, the face is now completely cleansed. I'm not sure if you guys can notice. Like there are few places where I can see the acne coming in. That's here, here, and over here. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is apply a face mask. Now I don't apply face mask regularly every single day. I just do it like once or twice a week. It completely depends on what exactly my skin needs on that day. Right now I desperately need a anti-acne face pack so that this doesn't get worst. So let's go ahead and apply a face mask now. So I'm gonna use this Nimra anti-acne face pack. Now the thing that I like the most about this is that you have to make it freshly made pack it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some in a bowl first. I'm just gonna take like 2 spoons of water and then just mix this. And you can even use rose water if you have oily skin, but I have dry skin, so I'm gonna just stick to water. And then just directly go ahead and apply this. Okay guys, so the mask is on. I'm gonna keep this for another like 10 to 15 minutes. And meanwhile, while this is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and clear the mess that I just made today. Also order food for myself, like dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that while the mask dries. Also, I should have probably changed before applying mask, but I just forgot about it because this is also comfy. Like a t-shirt dress is obviously comfy. So I'm gonna chill in this only for a while till the mask dries, and after I clean this, I'm gonna change. So don't judge. Okay guys, so 15 minutes are done. Like you can see, the mask has also dried up a little bit from the forehead. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. Take some water first and then just kind of just scrub it. Damn it, you guys, my skin feels so good right now. So now that the mask is off, I'll go ahead and hydrate my skin. It's very important to hydrate your skin, especially if you have like dry skin like me. It's good that you hydrate your skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and lastly apply, actually not apply, just spray on some rose water. This one is also from Kama and it's all natural. Rose water balances the pH level of your skin and also like tightens the pores. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I love the smell of rose water. So yeah, everything about skincare is now done. I'm super hungry, so I have just ordered my food. I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for it while it arrives. Also guys, how can I just forget this? Let's go ahead and change the clothes as well in the good old way. So now we're all comfy in our PJs and ready to chill and have some me time. Also, like, let's just. Yes! So, whenever I'm just like chilling at home, I like to just turn these warm lights on. So, I'm gonna sit here, wait for my food to arrive, and just watch some reels and do nothing at all. This is so nice. It feels nice, right? Like, I'm happy about it now. Also, comment down below and let me know how many hours do you spend actually just like going through reels or surfing reels, whatever you wanna call it, because I think I spend like about 1 to 2 hours every single day just watching reels. So finally, after like waiting for an hour, I got my food delivery. Although it's too late to eat dinner now, like I normally have my dinner by before 10 and it's now 10:30. 1 घंटा मेरे को वेट करवाया ये खाने ने, so better be worth it. So guys, I decided to try out a new place and damn, look at this quantity. I ordered like a Thai bowl. इतना सा राइस है और ये करी है उसका, and also got kimchi I think. And then luckily, thank God, I ordered one more wrap just to be safe. और ये भी इतना छोटू सा है. So this is the Sriracha tofu salad wrap something. So I'll just go ahead and try this out. Also, I don't know why I thought it will be white rice, but it's actually like quinoa I think. It's my first time having quinoa. Will you just look at that? Oh my god. And it's a knot. So I'm just gonna watch something on my phone now and have my dinner. So good. Oh my god. Totally worth the wait. Guys, my mom came here. We are gonna have a girls' night. Ooh, ooh. So we're gonna just chill, watch things, and do nothing at all. How are you gonna feel waking up tomorrow morning and going to the office?
Alone with you. We'll enjoy our moments. Yes.
I'm gonna also finish the. काफी heavy हो गया guys, by the way. मेरे को लगा इतना सा मेरा क्या ही पेट भरेगा, बट अच्छा खासा heavy हो गया. So guys, this is our bed situation. If you don't know already, I don't have a bed in this house. So we make this sofa cum bed that I got from IKEA as a bed and then just put bedsheet on it and then just sleep. Very comfy, to be honest. Didn't expect that, but yeah, it's nice. So now I have a little bit of things to do, but I don't think I'm gonna share that with you guys because it's just basic file sharing with my editor. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then also I have this members watch party tonight. So basically me and my members of my other channel are just gonna go ahead, watch something on Netflix together, maybe just chill. And yeah, so that's gonna be my night. I'm gonna end the video here itself because there's not much that I'm gonna do now, and I'm pretty sure I can't like share the Netflix part of it. So I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a not so basic night routine in my life from my new home. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know if you guys would like to see more such vlogs from here, from the studio. And don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Also, don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. I almost forget that now. So, like, yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.